Hello friends, and welcome back. Sylvia here from Sylvan Starlight Creations. As promised, I am here for part 2 of the cards that we started last time. Today I will show you how I use my spray inks as watercolors to color in this stamp called Girl Hope from Prima. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I pull it all together into finished cards. But I've gone ahead and stamped her off camera with a permanent waterproof ink. I've got a piece of laminated cardstock here that I will use as a palette, just so you can see what I'm doing a little better. But normally I would just use my nonstick craft mat. I'm going to start out by spraying my first color down here and grabbing my paintbrush and my jar of water, just like I would for regular watercolors. I will show you the beginning of the painting here in real time, and then time-lapse the rest of the coloring with some music so you can see the process, but quickly. I'll start out by dipping my brush into my jar of water, just like I normally would, and then dipping it into my color and applying the color to my stamped image. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just going to do some simple coloring. That's all you really need here. But be sure to stay tuned to the end so you can see how I finish it all off. And of course, just like regular watercolor, the more or less water that you use, the more or less intense your color will be. Okay, so once they were fully dry, I fussy cut them out and attached them to the fabulous backgrounds that we made in the last video. If you missed that background video, I'll link it at the end of this video and in the description box below. For tips on fussy cutting, I'll put a video link up here and also down below. Since this week's challenge prompt word in our Facebook group was jewel, I went ahead and glued on some flat back gems that I've had in my stash from forever. I will link to our Facebook group down below also. And once I decide what occasion I'm using these cards for, I'll add a greeting, glue these card fronts to the card bases, and they'll be otherwise finished. All the supplies that I used today, I will link down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips, tricks, and techniques. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope to see you real soon. Bye for now.